Throws it back around the net, and the first period comes to a close here at Ball Arena in Denver. Oh, maybe not closed out quite yet. O'Connor and Stillman started it, and it has escalated from there.
O'Connor went right at him as the whistle was going. Sticks got up a little bit high there.
And this is the kind of emotion you're going to need for the Blackhawks to get back in this game. And I think that they started to play their game in the last 8 minutes of that period, obviously getting some momentum and a little bit of a pushback. Yeah, we've got ourselves a rivalry, boys.
Yeah, O'Connor actually, he give him a lot of credit. He initiated a lot of this and got right there in the middle of it, even though he was surrounded by white sweaters.
First period is complete. The President's Trophy winners from last year look like it again. Let's throw it back to the studio with Liam McHugh and the rest of the gang. Oh, yeah, Wayne Gretzky's there, too. Liam?